Unleash your inner baker, the joy of homemade bread. Tired of bland, store-bought bread? Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread wafting through your home. Let's explore why baking your own bread is a rewarding experience and how you can easily begin. Baking your own bread offers a unique sense of accomplishment. It's a creative outlet that allows you to experiment with flavors and textures. Plus, the taste of homemade bread is simply unmatched. Homemade bread is often healthier than store-bought options. You control the ingredients, avoiding preservatives and additives. This allows you to create a nutritious and wholesome loaf for yourself and your family. Commercial bread can be loaded with unhealthy additives. Baking at home lets you choose whole grains, seeds, and other beneficial ingredients. You can tailor your bread to meet your specific dietary needs. Controlling ingredients means avoiding excessive sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. This is especially important for those with dietary restrictions or health concerns. Homemade bread can be a delicious and healthy staple. Don't be intimidated by the thought of baking bread. It's easier than you think. Start with a simple recipe and gradually build your skills. With a few basic ingredients and tools, you'll be on your way to baking delicious bread. The basic ingredients for bread are flour, water, yeast, and salt. You'll also need a mixing bowl, measuring cups, and a baking pan. A kitchen scale can be helpful for precise measurements. While you don't need fancy equipment, a few key items will make baking easier. A good quality mixing bowl is essential for combining ingredients. A dough scraper helps to handle sticky dough. A baking stone or Dutch oven can improve the texture and crust of your bread. These tools help to create a steamy environment during baking. However, a regular baking sheet will work just fine to start. A simple white bread recipe is a great starting point. Combine flour, water, yeast, and salt in a bowl. Knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic. Let it rise, shape it, and bake it until golden brown. Kneading develops the gluten in the flour, which gives the bread its structure. Rising allows the yeast to ferment, creating air pockets and a light texture. Baking sets the structure and creates a delicious crust. Sometimes things don't go as planned. If your bread is too dense, it might be due to not enough yeast or not enough rising time. If it's too dry, try adding more moisture to the dough. Overproofing can also lead to problems. If the dough rises too much, it can collapse during baking. Keep an eye on your dough and adjust the rising time as needed. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, experiment with different types of bread. Try adding whole wheat flour, seeds, or herbs. Explore sourdough, rye, or even sweetbreads like cinnamon rolls. Each type of bread has its own unique flavor and texture. Experimenting with different recipes will expand your baking skills and create a variety of delicious breads. Practice makes perfect. The more you bake, the better you'll become. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Keep notes on your recipes and adjust them to your liking. Use a kitchen scale for accurate measurements. This will ensure consistent results every time. Also, invest in a good quality oven thermometer to ensure your oven is at the correct temperature. Proper storage is essential to keep your bread fresh. Store it in an airtight container at room temperature. You can also freeze bread for longer storage. To freeze bread, slice it and wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. Then, place it in a freezer bag. When you're ready to eat it, thaw it at room temperature or toast it directly from frozen. One of the best things about baking bread is sharing it with others. There's nothing quite like the joy of seeing someone enjoy your homemade bread. Bake a loaf for a friend, neighbor, or family member. Sharing your creations is a great way to spread happiness and connect with others. It's also a wonderful way to show off your baking skills. Don't wait any longer to experience the joy of baking your own bread. Start with a simple recipe and gradually build your skills. You'll be amazed at how easy and rewarding it can be. Ready to transform your kitchen into a bakery? Download our free beginner's bread recipe guide and join our online baking community for tips, tricks, and support. Click the link in the description to get started and share your first loaf with us using #HomeMadeHappiness. Let's bake the world a better place, one loaf at a time.